In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pipedrive deal scoring. We'll set up a simple, reliable scoring framework so your team can quickly spot the most promising opportunities. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Open your profile menu and head to Company Settings. From there, go to Data Fields. Before we build anything, a quick refresher. Lead or deal scoring is a structured way to assign points to important buying signals, things like budget, authority, timeline, and source. The total score helps you prioritize follow-ups and forecast more confidently. Next, open custom fields. Custom fields are fields you create to capture the exact data your team needs, beyond the default fields. Let's create a budget field. Choose multiple options as the field type so reps can pick a single budget range. Add 3 options: high equal plus 30, medium equal plus 20, and low equal plus 10. Budget indicates how much a buyer can invest. Giving higher ranges more points pushes well-funded deals to the top of your list. Show this field on both leads and deals so it's available from the start, and save. Add another custom field and name it Decision Maker. This captures whether your contact can authorize the purchase. Select multiple options and add 2 choices: yes equal plus 25 and no equal 0. Authority accelerates the sales cycle and reduces risk, so it deserves strong weight. Add it to the lead and deal add views and save. Create a third custom field and call it Timeline. This tells you when the buyer intends to move forward. Pick multiple options and add immediate equals plus 25, 1 to 3 months equals plus 15, and later equals plus 5. Sooner timelines typically mean higher urgency and better close probability. Again, make it visible on leads and deals and save. Finally, add one more custom field named Lead Source. This records where the lead came from. Choose multiple options and add referral equals plus 20 website equals plus 10, and cold equals plus 5. Referred leads often convert at higher rates thanks to trust and context, so they get more points. Add it to the lead and deal views and save. You've now built a clear 4-part scoring model inside Pipedrive. As your team qualifies a lead or deal, select the appropriate options and let the points guide your priorities. Keep definitions consistent. For example, agree on what counts as high budget or immediate timeline, and adjust the weights over time based on real results. Small, thoughtful tweaks can make your pipeline much more predictable. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.